Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Malcolm Salam.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, are you ready for your class?
Yes.
Okay, Bashir. So today we will start lesson number 24, and it is about Tashdeed and Ghunna. The Tajdeed is also known as Shad. So the both rules you already learned in the previous lessons, but we are again repeating, or you can say the revising the previous rules, the two rules which you already completed. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna tell you both of them, and then you can start your lesson. So first of all, about the shad, can you tell me how the shad looks like?
No.
No?
I
Okay,
don't
wait.
know.
Can you tell me what is the name of this sign?
No.
Huh?
No.
Okay, I'm repeating again this sign. This is the connecting sign. Okay, we have two connecting signs. Number one is sukun, number two is shad. So the shad looks like a tiny W. This is the sign which what we will call shad. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever you have a shad on any letter, so we read that letter twice. Means we read that letter two times. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So how will we read any letter two times? Can you tell me?
Say it twice.
Sorry.
Say it twice.
Yes. How? How? In the same way, or there is a difference?
Same way.
No. So whenever we have any letter which has a shad on it, so then we read that letter two times. But how? Like first of all, we connect that letter with the previous letter. That's mean we read that letter with sukun sign, and then we read that letter again with the second sign appear on that letter. So that's mean whenever any letter comes with shad, so one more sign always be there. Sometimes on the top, sometimes at the bottom.
Hello.
Yes. Okay. So, do you understand now?
Uh,
Okay. For
you read
example,
one of them for me?
in this word, we have meme with shad, right? So the meme we read two times. First of all, we read meme with sukun, and you know already that whenever any letter has sukun sign, so we will connect that letter with the previous letter, right?
Yes.
So first of all, we read meme with sukun, we connect it with the previous, so it will be Okay, we read ain with fatha, and then after we connect with the meme, so it will be and then after we read meme with fatha, because the second sign appear on meme is fatha.
Okay.
So first of all connect ain with meme and then read meme with fatha ma, so it will be ma.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is the shad, and then the next we have that whenever meme or noon has shad on it, so then we do gunna.
Alright.
Okay, I repeat that whenever meme or noon has shad sign on it, so then we do gunna. So this is the second rule we have, which we have to revise here again. So the gunna is called nasal sound. That's mean whenever you want to do gunna, so put your voice in your nose for a while. That is called gunna. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so actually there are two types of gunna. Number one is put your voice in your nose for a while, that is called onna, and the second is that hide your voice in your nose for a while, that is also called onna. So on meme and noor, when it have shad, so we put our voice in our nose. Okay, so the another category for the onna, inshallah, we will talk later. But for now, just keep in mind that whenever we want to do onna, so put your voice in your nose for a while, that is called onna. So how we do it? Connect read ain with fatha, then connect with meme, and then make a sound of noon like Okay, put your voice in your nose and then read meme with fatha ma ma.
Okay.
Now you read.
Um. Uh,
Yes. Okay, now go to the next.
Hamma.
Yes, very good. Here we are stretching it. Why?
This is Alif Mada.
Excellent. Next.
Fim. Wait. Fima.
Very good. Next.
Fima.
Excellent. Next.
Mima.
See, again we have meme with chad, so do gunna mimma.
Mima.
Yes. Next.
Mima.
Very good.
Kana.
Stretch. Kaf has alif madda.
Kana.
Yes. Next.
Kana.
Very good. Next.
Inna.
Very good.
Inna.
Next.
Tanna.
Yeah, but see, Zo is the bold letter, is one of the bold letter, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So while you are pronouncing the bold letter, round your lips and then pronounce with the heavy and strong voice.
Zona.
Very good. One.
Zonna.
Next.
Zonna.
See, the last letter has alif matta, right?
Yeah.
So stretch.
Zonna.
Stretch. Zonna.
Zonna.
Okay, very good. Next, let's go for the next page. Uh, okay.